So now we are unboxing this box I ordered from the crate. Let's open it. So हम अभी कर रहे हैं इसका unbox. Packaging है quite good, and this is what our product look like. Here is the start of the future you. This brand is a bold care brand. Site is given on this, and it's a made in India and for the modern man. So let's open it. So this product is brought to us by World Care brand. So let's open it. How does it look and all? So first we see is its website, and inside that they have given it's more than a box, it's a new way of living. So कुछ इस तरीके से इसकी पैकेजिंग है और इसके अंदर ये बॉक्स. Choose low beta. So इसके अंदर your feedback help us improve. Reach out to your personal World Care assistant on WhatsApp with feedback and get a special surprise. So that's a good thing they are offering to us. So here there is a box. So we keep it aside. So कुछ इस तरीके से ये हमें ये प्रोडक्ट अंदर मिला है. It's a choose of World Care. It's a low beta gummies. It's a sugar-free product. It's a big nutrition in small bites. मिक्स फ्रूट फ्लेवर 60 गमीज इसके अंदर होंगे और एक मिक्स फ्रूट फ्लेवर होगा इसमें, बाकी कोई एक फ्रूट का फ्लेवर होगा. इट हैज़ अ ग्रेट टेस्ट. दिस इज व्हाट दे आर टेल अस. इसमें बताया गया कि इट हेल्प्स इम्प्रूव और लिबिडो और अनदर गुड एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस इज इट्स गिव अस हायर एनर्जी लेवल्स. दैट इज अनदर गुड बेनिफिट ऑफ इट. And another is it boosts our performance as well. So it's a pure ashwagandha, vitamin D2. So that's why this product seems good to buy. And another good thing is it's a sugar free. So important caution to take about this product is we have to keep away this product from the childrens, because इसका कोई किसी भी तरह के मेडिकल यूज़ के लिए नहीं है और हमें इट्स नॉट फॉर चिल्ड्रन. सो वी हैव टू कीप इट अवे फ्रॉम देम. सो यहाँ पे कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है इसके बारे में. सो हर 60 सर्विंग्स पर कंटेनर पे सर्विंग साइज दी गई है. हमारी प्राइस जो है वो है 1099, बट वी कैन गेट इट in a good discounted offer on different platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or like a crate from where I have purchased this at very first time, and it was a good deal, I would say. So guys, कुछ इस तरीके से इसकी पैकेजिंग आती है. And so let's check out one of them first. It's like something like this cherry. So I have tested it. So overall 60 candies आती है इस बॉक्स में. And जैसे कि मैंने आपको दिखाया इसको इस तरीके से इस जो गमीज है ये होती है इसमें. So about the taste of this candy, it's good taste. I will say not that much bitter taste. इसका टेस्ट जो है वो कड़वा लगता है आपको. साथ ही में अश्वगंधा का फ्लेवर की वजह से ये कड़वा लगता है, और साथ ही में you will taste little bit of sweetness also. So ये पूरी तरह से कड़वा नहीं है, इसका टेस्ट अच्छा भी लगता है. It's because of ashwagandha, maybe actually it's because of ashwagandha we taste it like that. But from that, overall gummy is good. So there are 60 gummies like this, and one thing I felt about the pricing is that it's a little pricey gummy. though it is good and healthy. That is a good part about these gummies actually, and that is what I will say good part of it. Otherwise it is expensive. So as per the price on the that box, they have given 60 gummies. Feels little expensive, and I think one gummy is around for 20 rupees, I think, and that's why it's that expensive part of that. The pricing part of this gummy is filled may not be attracting the customers that much because of the high pricing, but otherwise it has a really good benefits. So that I will say it's a good healthy bites, I will say, and that is a good part about this product. Otherwise it's all your choice. So this is my honest review about it. Thanks a lot for watching this video.